The average American loses over $300,000 in their lifetime just from not knowing 8 financial concepts. Not from bad luck, not from a low salary, from not knowing the rules of the game. I'm going to give you all 8 in the next 4 minutes, and the first one alone could change how you see every paycheck you'll ever earn. I'm not here to sell you anything. No courses, no crypto, no get rich quick. Just the stuff a financial advisor would tell you in a $300 session, for free. Let's go. First, the 50-30-20 rule. It's the easiest budget on the planet. 50% of your income goes to needs: rent, groceries, bills. 30% goes to wants: eating out, streaming, fun. 20% goes to savings and debt. That's it. No spreadsheets, no 47 budgeting apps, just 3 buckets. Second, and this one's the big one, compound interest. Here's the thing nobody explains right. Your money doesn't just earn interest. It earns interest on the interest. Put in $200 a month starting at 25, and by 65 you could have over $500,000. Wait until 35 to start? You'd need to put in almost double just to catch up. Time isn't just a factor, it's the whole game. Third, before you invest a single dollar, build an emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of expenses, sitting in a boring savings account you can access instantly. This is what stands between a flat tire and a credit card spiral. It's not exciting, it's essential. Fourth, not all debt is the enemy. A mortgage or student loan can build your future. Lower interest, long-term value. A maxed out credit card at 24% interest? That's the one eating you alive. Learn to tell the difference, and you'll stop fearing debt and start managing it. Fifth, your credit score. It's a number between 300 and 850 that decides your interest rates, your apartment approval, sometimes even your job offer. Pay bills on time, keep your credit card balance low, and don't close old accounts. That's 90% of the game right there. Sixth, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your money, stocks, bonds, maybe real estate, and match your risk to your timeline. 25 and investing for retirement? You can afford more risk. 55 and about to retire? Play it safer. Risk isn't good or bad. It's about timing. Seventh, stop measuring success by your paycheck. Measure your net worth. Everything you own minus everything you owe. A doctor with $400,000 in debt might be worth less than a teacher with no debt and a fat savings account. Income is what you make. Net worth is what you keep. Eighth, if your job offers a 401k match, take it. That's free money. Literally the only guaranteed return you'll ever find. If you're not contributing enough to get the full match, you're leaving part of your paycheck on the table every single month. None of this is complicated. It's just not taught. Budget with purpose. Start early. Protect yourself with savings. Understand your debt. Guard your credit score. Spread your risk. Track your net worth. And grab every dollar of free money your employer offers you. That's it. That's the whole game. If this helped, follow for more. I break down money stuff like this every week. No fluff, no sales pitch. Just the truth about your finances.